Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Henri. Today I will make a chickpea dal, but first I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel. Even though this video is in English, you can consult the recipe in the language of your choice on my website. This dal is usually referred as chole bhatura because it's normally served with bhatura bread. Yesterday I prepared the spice mix for this dal. You will find in the description box of this video a link to the recipe for this spice mix. It's a go! The oil is ready, so I had 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, two finely chopped onions, I will add 2 tablespoons of ginger and garlic puree, 1 recipe of chole masala spice mix, half teaspoon of chili powder, legume puree, chickpeas, we cover with water. I forgot to add the juice of half lemon. Bring to boil and we reduce the heat. I forgot to add 1 pinch of asafoetida. I transfer half a cup of the dal in my container here, and I reduce it in the puree. So we have the puree. Mix it all. I add salt and pepper. Now it's time for the spice tempering. The oil is hot, so we will add 2 bay leaves, 2 cloves, 1 hot pepper, and 3/4 teaspoon of mustard seed. We will add 1 tablespoon of curry, 1 tablespoon of turmeric, half a teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of mango powder. We will transfer the tempering spice on the dal. That was my Indian chickpeas recipe. I hope you like it. I personally invite you to try it. You won't be disappointed. If you like this video, you can take the thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to my channel and to leave me a comment. Looking to see you again for a new video.